Legal reps for Meghan Markle contacted the BBC following a segment on podcast, Harry, Meghan and the Media, which accompanies Amal Rajan's documentary The Princes and the Press. Meghan hit out after Mr. Rajan claimed she had apologised for misleading the High Court during her privacy battle against the Mail on Sunday. In response, the BBC released a correction saying, "The Duchess of Sussex has asked us to clarify that she apologised to the court for not remembering email exchanges with her former communications secretary, Jason Naff, in her evidence, and said that she had no intention to mislead the court." Mr. Rajan was referring to Meghan's recent privacy case with the Mail on Sunday after it published private letters to her estranged father Thomas Markle. During the case, the Duchess stated she had not remembered emails between her and her then press secretary Jason Naff about the book. In 2020, Omid Scobie and Carolyn Durand released their book Finding Freedom, which is a biography about the Duke and Duchess of Sussex's time in the royal family. The Sussex royals previously insisted they did not have any involvement with the biography. A spokesperson for Meghan and Harry said in 2020 Mr. Scobie and Ms. Durand do not speak for the royals. They added, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex were not interviewed and did not contribute to Finding Freedom. This book is based on the author's own experiences as members of the Royal Press Corps and their own independent reporting. However, in a witness statement from the Duchess said emails between her and Mr. Naff about a meeting with the authors of Finding Freedom had slipped her mind. Meghan accepted in the statement she had spoken to Mr. Naff about the book. She said, "I apologize to the court for the fact that I had not remembered these exchanges at the time. I had absolutely no wish or intention to mislead the defendant or the court." The Duchess added that had she known about the emails she would have been more than happy to refer to them as strongly supportive of her case. In a witness statement to the court, Mr. Naff said Meghan had sent briefing notes to him, suggesting topics such as her half-siblings and her dad be discussed with the authors. He said Meghan and Harry authorized specific cooperation in writing in December 2018, and advised the couple that putting the authors in touch with Meghan's friends was not a good idea. He claimed he told the pair, "Being able to say hand on heart that we did not facilitate access will be important." Harry is alleged to have responded, "I totally agree that we have to be able to say we didn't have anything to do with it. Equally, you giving the right context and background to them would help get some truths out there." Meghan sued Associated Newspapers Limited, ANL, which is also the publisher of Mail Online, over a series of articles that reproduced parts of a personal and private letter to Mr. Markle in August 2018. She claimed the 5 articles, published in print and online in February 2019, misused her private information, infringed her copyright and breached the Data Protection Act. She won her case after Lord Justice Warby ruled that ANL's publication of her letter to her father was manifestly excessive and hence unlawful in a summary judgment, avoiding the need for a trial.